What's up guys, it's your boy Emmanuel Tomte. I'm back again with a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money using Canva. So if you don't know Canva is a platform or a website that helps people to create designs, to edit photos, pictures and all of that. So me, I used to use Photoshop, okay? I've been using Photoshop for like 6+ years now, and all other like Adobe platforms like Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, InDesign and Adobe Illustrators. But Canva is one of the easiest websites to edit pictures if you don't have any skill using Photoshop. Okay, so today I want to show you how you can make money online using Canva. If you're on Google, just type Upwork. Okay, alright guys, so once you're on Upwork, what you need to do is like just type something like a gig called background removal. If you can see, there's Photoshop masking, okay, adding a person into a photo from another photo, and then editing images and photos, and then 5-minute Photoshop work, and then watermark removal Photoshop, and then need help background removal, okay, need help to edit the background, so to remove the background, audio editing and background removal simply means that if they give you a picture, you have to just go ahead and remove the background of that picture. So people are willing to pay $25, people are willing to pay $3, people are willing to pay different amount of money. Okay, so what you need to do is like you need to go to Canva and then remove that background for them and then just give them the background and get paid. First of all, let's take an example. Thumbnail, just type thumbnail. Then the first thumbnail that you will see, just click on it. Okay, so let's use this thumbnail. So once you have the thumbnail, you see this picture and everything. So this picture, as you are seeing it like this, it shows that the background of this picture has been removed. So what you need to do is like you need to also get your picture, remove the background and replace it with this one. Alright. So let's say for example we want to go for a picture that we've already uploaded in this Canva. So let's go for this picture. So in order for you to remove the background, because what you are going to use to make money is background removal on Upwork, okay? So you have to go and create your Upwork account and then go for the background removal niche. And then once you do that, you need to come to Canva and then start removing pictures and make money from it. But how you want to like how do you manage to remove this background, right? So what you need to do, like once you click on it like this, you need to click on edit photo. Then once you click on edit photo, you need to click on background removal. So all you need to do is to give it a little bit of time for it to remove the background. Alright, so the background has been removed, so it looks clean now. So let's go back and then you'll see that there's no background again. So you need to remove this picture and then increase the size of this one and drag it to the side. Okay, so as you can see, we've already removed the background and it was very simple. But if you try this thing with Photoshop, it's not going to be easy. It's going to be like a very intricate work that you have to take some different tools to remove the different parts of the picture, all of that, before you're able to remove the background. But on Canva, it's just with a click of a button for you to remove the background. So I hope that you enjoyed this very short video. If you want to start making money online, it's through freelancing, and the best way to start is to start with the easiest job, like as a freelancer, which is background removal. If you enjoyed the video, please do smash the like button, comment something down below in this comment section, turn on the bell notification and share it with anybody that want to make money online with background removal. Okay, see you again in the next video. Bye, ciao.